Dakinis. I know some of you like to see my posts but not actually read what I write. It's a shame because you should. I just posted a new reel about using my potion, Lalita Lux Millionaire, and it's important that you read it, especially if you are interested in actually manifesting sacred sexuality, being on a pedestal, claiming back your throne, manifesting an upscale, upgraded lifestyle. Lalita is the goddess worshipped by gods. She's also the goddess of the Tantra. She's the goddess of the Kundalini awakening. She is the goddess of the original Daikinis in Hindu mysticism. And from my channelings, she will work heavily on trauma, sexual trauma, past life, karmic implants, fighting egos, relating to unworthiness. She's powerful, and she actually create the strongest transformation, which is why you need to go read my last post. I love you, and I see you soon. Manifest lavish imperial opulence. Bye.